This is the 12th and final episode, and here we will make the site responsive. Before making the site responsive, we need to understand the breakpoint. So open Bootstrap, click Docs, and under Layout, click Breakpoints. If you scroll down, you should see the available breakpoints over here. So whenever you see the class name that includes SM, MD, or LG, it means small, medium, large, extra large, or extra large. So you can see each breakpoint has its own dimensions. To make the site responsive, we need to test the site in different dimensions. So we will use all this dimension to test our website. We will not use this 1400px dimension because our site has maximum width of 1320px. So we will test them on 1200, 992, 768 and 576px dimensions. Now let's test the website on 1200px dimension. So open website and open the developer tool. To do that, you can right click anywhere on the website, click inspect and click toggle device toolbar. On top, type 1200 and hit enter. Now you can test the website from top to bottom. I will slowly scroll down the website and I will keep on testing each and every component. It seems all the component looks great in this dimension. Likewise, let's test them in 992px dimension. So on top, type 992, hit enter, go all the way to the top, and again you can test each and every component. I will slowly keep scrolling the page and I will keep on testing all the component. Again, everything looks good in this dimension. Now let's test them on another dimension, 768 pixel. So on top, type 768 and hit enter. Go all the way to the top. And now I want to fix this hero. I want to hide this title and a content for this hero. So open your code editor. I will be modifying this hero. So you can open this hero div. Then the content is coming from this carousel caption div. So I will minimize all those divs. Currently, that caption is visible on medium to large devices. And now I want to make that visible only from large to extra large devices. So instead of using MD, which is medium, I want to add LG, which is large. Once done, check the website, and now the caption is hidden. If you increase the size, it is visible, but in medium or small device, it is now hidden. Then let's scroll down slowly, and for the services, instead of full width, I want to add two different columns over here. So again, open your code editor, scroll down and open services. So let me minimize all these divs. So currently the grid system is working only in large and extra large devices. So I want to add one more class name which would target the medium device as well. So I will add cool MD6. So if we use col MD6, the width of the column will be 50%. Once done, you can check the side, and now you can see two different columns over here. If you make it large, you should still see 3 columns, but in 768 pixel, you should only see 2 columns. Again, let's slowly scroll down the page, and I want the same changes on this themes component. So open the div of these themes. Again, I will minimize all these divs, and I want to add one more class name which should work for the medium devices. So I will add col MD6, which would make our width 50%. So if we check the website, you can see 2 column is showing over here. If you increase the large device, it is showing 4 columns, but in 768 it is only showing 2 columns. Again, let me scroll down and test rest of the component, and it seems rest of the component is looking great. Now let's test them in 576 px dimension. So on top, type 576, then go all the way to the top. You can slowly scroll down and keep on testing the component. So again, for these services, I want to add 2 columns instead of 1 column. So I want to modify my HTML. So instead of adding col MD6, I want to update them into col SM6, so that these 2 columns should apply on small and medium devices. So now you can see 2 columns over here. The same thing I want to do for the themes as well. So again, instead of using col MD6, I want to use col SM6. And now you can see 2 columns over here. Now scroll down, and for this footer it looks okay, but I want to add some spacing. To add the spacing, we can use Bootstrap cutter in the footer tag. So where it says div class row, I want to add a gutter using gy-any value. I will add 4. Once done, check the website, and now you should see some spacing in the footer. Now let's quickly test on extra small device. So I will click on this mobile M, which is 375 px dimension. Go all the way to the top and slowly scroll down so we can test all the components. It seems everything looks great now. So the site is now fully responsive for mobile, laptop, tablet and desktop devices. This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn Bootstrap 5. I will see you again next time with the next course.